वरती एक दोन वेळा माझं डिस्कशन झालं होतं. बाकी घनश्यामला पूर्ण कॉपरेशन ज्या लेवलला तुम्ही आतापर्यंत आम्हाला दिलेलं आहे त्याबद्दल ॲज अ तिघही आम्ही ॲज अ प्रमोटर डायरेक्टर आहोत. तिघं तुमचं कंपनी मॅनेजमेंट तुमचं मनापासून आभारी आहे. तसंच गोवाच्या पोलीस फोर्स असेल मॅडम असेल खूप जादा वेलनेसला कॉपरेशन ओव्हरऑल गोवामध्ये त्या पद्धतीने आम्हाला ॲप्रिशिएट केलं गेलं. ज्यावेळी कधी काय अडचणी आल्या त्यावेळी पोलिसांच्या डिपार्टमेंटकडून वेगवेगळ्या डिपार्टमेंटकडून खूप जादा चांगल्या प्रकारचं सहकार्य बाकी 4 स्टेटमध्ये आम्ही चालू रन करतो कंपनी. पण पर्टिक्युलर गोवा म्हटल्यानंतर येताना की गोवामध्ये कधीही रात्री 12 वाजता 2 वाजता डिस्कम्फर्ट कधीही वेलनेसला झाला नाही कोणत्याही ठिकाणी कोणत्याही प्रकारचा. तर त्याबद्दल पूर्ण गोवा स्टेटचं आम्ही आभारी आहोत. थँक्यू व्हेरी मच. आणि आजचा हा जे वुमन्स ऑफ वेलनेस वाव स्टोर्स जे आम्ही ओपन करतोय सेकंड ब्रँच आहे. फर्स्ट ब्रँच आम्ही मुंबईला ओपन केली होती. त्या टाईमला ते एक ABP माझा जे रिपोर्टर आले होते ते ओपनिंगला मी होतो तिथं. तर त्यांनी बोलले हे काय आहे वाव काय आहे. तर वाव म्हणजे पूर्ण तुमच्या वुमन्स करणार आहेत आमचे. त्याला WWF आपण बोलतो वेलनेस वुमन फोर्स. फर्स्ट कंपनी त्यांनी त्या टाइमला ॲप्रिशिएट केलं होतं. 2-3 पॉलिटिशियनचं त्या टाइमला मला समोरून कॉल पण आले होते कारण ते बाईट पाहिले आणि त्या लोकांनी केलं होतं की वा एक कंपनी अशी आहे की ज्या लोकांनी येऊन खरोखर स्टार्ट केलेलं आहे. आता हे छोटं रोपटं आहे त्याला आता मोठं होण्याचं ह्या लोकांच्यावरती डिपेंड आहे. कारण गोव्यामध्ये अजून दुसरे वुमन स्टोर्स आपण वाव स्टोर्स क्रिएट करायचे त्याचा सक्सेस आणि ज्या बी काही गोष्टी असतील ह्या टीमवरती डिपेंड. कारण पुढच्या महिलांना इथं गोव्यामध्ये जे काय ॲडव्हान्टेज मिळणार आहेत या टीमपासून कारण यांचा सक्सेस झालं तर आपण गोव्यामध्ये अजून खूप जादा वाव स्टोर्स ओपन करू शकतो.
एंड ये सब करने की हिम्मत भी आप लोगों की तरफ से ही आती है बिकॉज जब तक हम वो विचार नहीं लाएंगे और पीपल लीडर्स लाइक यू आर देयर टू सपोर्ट अस. बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छा लगता है व्हेन वी सी दिस चिल्ड्रन ट्राइंग टू बिल्ड अ फ्यूचर डिफरेंट. सो वी विल डेफिनेटली नीड योर सपोर्ट. We will definitely need your cooperation to make this successful. And once again, thank you very much for coming here and gracing this occasion. बहुत thank you.
In wellness, all ladies and gentlemen, a very good morning. Hearty congratulations on this 400 store opening to Wellness Forever, and especially for opening this wellness for women second store in India and the first in Goa. As said by your directors that women they have inherent powers and it only needs to be unleashed. So women we are born multitaskers. We are very sensitive. We are empathetic. We are very meticulous. At the same time very sincere, hardworking, and we want to deliver. So the right concept is come out that you started this women in wellness and wellness and this medical products delivery, as said by Pallavi, that the service provided by wellness stores during this unprecedented very time of COVID-19 is really incredible and needs a lot of applause for this. As Pallavi said that the medicines were delivered to the home, they were sourced. I know 1 or 2 situations wherein the cancer patients were sourced from the other states and provided to the cancer patients. So secondly, as about this, the other day one managing director of a public limited company, he was expressing to me how he has the women force in his key positions and he is all other positions. Always he looks for the ladies for these qualities so that his business and his company is really grown up. The thing regarding this expansion of this wellness stores, like the accessibility of the medicines and the medical products, it is incredibly improved, and the government also is working a lot on these 3 aspects of making the medicines affordable, accessible, and available. So once again I congratulate the wellness family for this 400 store, and thanks for inviting me to be over here.
I'm happy to be with you. I have been associated with women and children and their problems for long time as a part of Women and Child Protection Unit, Margao. And in my line of work, I have been come across several problems faced by women and children. For a while now, we have been yelling about gender equality and discrimination. I would not get into the history since everyone is aware of how things were for women in the past. Indeed, since our independence, we have made great progress, but it has not happened quickly. We have gone a long way conquering numerous obstacles and difficulties in India. Women are making significant contributions to society and establishing themselves in the workforce and educational fields. Decades of women's activism and movements that paved the way have resulted in women doing remarkably well politics, administrations, judiciary, journalism, IT, banking, scientific advances, business, etc. But what is our current level of progress? The figure shows that the female workforce participation rate is totally low in India. India's women employment rate is lesser in comparison to a lot of countries in the world, including many countries which are still not developed. That indicates that there is more to do. This initiative by Wellness Forever is a step towards that goal. A safe and inclusive space for women in every sphere of life is a place where women and girls feel physically and emotionally safe, free of violence, the fear of violence and abuse. They are able to express themselves freely there. Women are encouraged to participate more when such a space is established. This not only establishes gender equality but also uplifts the economic growth of our nation. Apart from economic factors, participation of women in the workforce means more income in the hands of women, which further has many positive spillover effects on the welfare and family. Some studies have also shown that women have a better say in household decision when they have their own earning. Women access to decent choices of work and their participation in the workforce are becoming more recognized as critical component of an inclusive and equitable growth process. I end my note by quoting words of Dr. Ambedkar. I measure the progress of a community with the degree of progress women have achieved. My gratitude goes out to everyone who came us with this concept and worked tirelessly to see it through the completion. I thank you for inviting me to the opening of this Women's of Wellness store, and I wish you every success.
I wish to congratulate Wellness on this Women of Wellness store. This is the second store in India, I think, and I wish them all the more stores in the years to come. And also, Wellness as a pharmacy is one of the best in the business. They are very good in last mile delivery, like you say, of the products and pharmaceutical products and allied products. They give, besides buying from the stores, you can get home delivery also, and they can source any products like how their partner has told from anywhere in India. So I wish them all the best and thank them for the empowerment they do for women through these stores and through all their stores in India. Congratulations and all the best.
Subscribe Prudent social media channel and press bell icon for latest notifications.